How to add game console to your Roku TV app or Roku TV device just on your PC or on your available connectable device. To doing this, what you have to do is just follow the online available steps that is on support Roku TV website. Switch to the port on your device HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and AV. Second step is to press the star on your Roku TV remote. Now use the directional pad to scroll up or scroll down and select picture setting. Scroll and highlight the game mode available on your Roku TV. Now the last step is press left or right to generate or turn on the game mode on or off respectively. Yes, this is the thing, you can do it online just from your remote. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.